So throughout the year I do room transformations, and I specifically teach math. So I pull different 4th grade math standards and I relate it to real world situations. So today we have a construction crew in here, and they are finding the volume of different boxes and rectangular shapes around the classroom. They have been practicing volume all week, and this is the culminating event. It kind of works as their test, informative assessment to see if they have the skill and the standard mastered or not.
We're doing it themed as a construction site and measuring different things around the room.
It's really just for them to be hands-on and to see real world applications, because a lot of times kids don't believe that math is used in anywhere but school. The PTA actually provided a grant for it, and I bought it off of Teachers Pay Teachers, and then had the caution tape and all of the hats and just the different decorations I found throughout the school. I started doing these at the end of last year, and I've really pushed through for this year. I've been doing a few professional developments with Hope and Wade King. They teach at the Ron Clark Academy in Georgia. I'm slowly trying to pull in other teachers throughout the building to get their kids engaged in rigorous content and activities. It's worth it because I've seen test scores and their confidence just skyrocket through the year doing these activities. I am a believer that paper and pencil is an option and that things should be more hands-on.
I don't really like doing paper and pencil. I just like doing different ways of learning and stuff.
A lot of it is hands-on, movement related, things around the classroom, things around the building, and real life applications.